Want to instantly boost your website's credibility and attract more customers? We are going to learn how to seamlessly integrate Google Business Reviews into your Elementor website in just a few steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you have Elementor installed and activated now. Navigate to the plugin section on the left sidebar and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Widget for Google Reviews. There are several great options available for this tutorial. Let's use a highly rated and popular plugin like Widget for Google Reviews by Trustindexia. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin and then click Activate once the installation is complete. After activation, you'll usually find a new menu item in your WordPress dashboard specifically for the plugin, like Trustindex. Click on it. Follow the plugin's instructions to connect it to your Google Business profile. This typically involves authorizing the plugin to access your Google account and selecting the business location you want to display reviews for. Now, open the page or post where you want to display your Google reviews. In the Elementor editor, search for the Google Reviews widget. It should be listed under the plugin's name. Drag and drop the widget onto your desired location on the page. In the Elementor sidebar, you'll find various customization options for the widget. You can usually adjust the number of reviews displayed, the layout, the colors, and other visual elements to match your website's design. Experiment with the settings to achieve the look you want. Once you're happy with the appearance, click Update to publish your page. Now visit your website and see how Google Reviews builds trust for your viewers.